Hey there, it's Coder C and I am back with a new programming project video. In one of my previous videos, I showed my to-do list project in Python. So as you can see, the old to-do list is lacking some features and there are some parts that can be improved. Because of that, I have made a second version of the to-do list. So before I show the new version of the to-do list, let's take a look at the overall code. Now it's time to run the program. As you can see, there is no task listed in this page yet because there is no task created. So let's add the task first. In this page, user can also update the task or even delete the task. So back to the today's task page. Now we can see the task listed. To mark as done, just click on the task, and if the user wants to unmark the task, they just need to click on it again. Also, the progress bar is animated to make it interesting. As for this page, the all task page, it displays all the tasks and the dates the task is for. So we'll go back and add more tasks but on a different date. So in this page, the user can filter the task based on the dates. And this button, Remove All Tasks, will remove any tasks that are for a date that already passed. Now for the last part, which is error handling. So back in the Add Task page, if any input is empty or the date is invalid, an error message will appear. With that concludes the entire demonstration of the new to-do list. So if you're interested, this project can be found on GitHub, the link is in the description. Also, I have a gig on Fiverr where I will do Python projects, and if you are interested, you can learn more about it by clicking on the link in the description. That is all for this video. Like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.